Hey, what is up, guys? Serg exclusive here. In this video, I'm gonna talk about how you guys could start promoting Clickbank products, easy and very effectively, and you guys could start making money as of today if you guys want to get started ASAP. So, so let's get it. Before we get started with this video, hit that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so you guys could get notified when I post my next video. Because I'm still doing the 30-day challenge. If you guys are into that. Just throwing my knowledge out there and stuff like that. So today's video, I'm just going to talk about how you guys could start promoting Clickbank offers and make sure you guys are actually doing it the right way. Alright, so you guys could be more effectively, and how you guys could start making money and start earning on your commissions. So let's get into my computer real quick and how affiliate marketing works, and you guys could know how to do Clickbank offers and stuff like that. So yeah, okay, so this is how affiliate marketing works. You basically get all your traffic sources, your free traffic sources. This is completely free. YouTube, TikTok, and Pinterest. You can all start using these platforms to drive traffic to your offers and stuff like that. Okay, but first you guys are gonna need an opt-in page to get you guys started. You guys could easily use ClickFunnels, or you guys could use a web hosting services. My suggestion is Bluehost. And then start creating an opt-in form like that. And you guys also need an autoresponder so you guys can start collecting emails, because the email list, I'm gonna keep preaching that you need an email list no matter what business you're into. If you're into drop shipping, Amazon, FBA, stuff like that, so you guys could start making money and making sure you guys drop you start earning commissions. So you guys need an opt-in form just like this, easy, fresh, clean, not too over the top, stuff like that. And yeah, that's all you need, and a thank you page, thank you page of what you guys actually gave them and stuff like that. Like I'm saying, you guys give them anything you guys want, updates, something like that. But for this tutorial, I'm gonna tell you guys what you guys should give them to collect the email when you guys are doing a Clickbank offer. Okay, so after you guys collect the email, you take them to the thank you page and then to the offer. Okay, and then if they don't purchase, you keep sending them emails to that offer. Okay, I don't want you guys doing this, sending them traffic and just straight giving them to the offer, because you guys are not gonna make any money like that. There's a 1% chance that you guys will actually get money, but you guys will not stay consistent with it, and you guys are gonna be losing money. Okay, so this is what you guys need to actually build your actual business. Okay, so yeah, so let's get into it. So after you guys build your opt-in form, all you guys gotta do is go to Clickbank, sign up or log in if you guys already have an account. Just do that, and let me log in real. Okay, guys, I'm logged in and stuff like that. All you guys gotta do is go to the marketplace, and these categories are gonna pop up. Art, as seen on TV, betting systems, business, investing, computer, internet, cooking, food, all these good stuff that you guys could actually get into. My suggestion, if you guys are barely picking up a niche or something like that, do something you like to do something that you're into, do something that are interested on learning about, because if you guys don't do that, you guys are gonna get bored of it, and you guys are not gonna want to see results. That's why I preach on you guys doing something you guys love to do first, and then start getting into, so you guys could get your feet wet with affiliate marketing. So if you guys like to do fitness, do fitness. If you guys like to do something with home, do home, or parenting, stuff like that. Or education, employments, games, something that you guys like to do. But for this, I think we're gonna do with health and fitness. Okay, and as you can see, you could see all these commissions that are averaging and stuff like that. To me, I go all the way to gravity, because that's when a lot of people are making sales out of this and stuff like that. But then again, it could be more competition, but there's other ways to make sure if it still has a gravity high, do that. But um, if you want to get into it and make sure something is working, but there's gonna be a lot of competition. I'm just letting you know that right now. Um, but yeah, but there's another way I like to see. Make sure they have an affiliate page, and a affiliate support contact, so you guys can know where to contact them just in case something happens or something like that. But an affiliate page with emails, that's pretty good too, because they already wrote the emails for you, so you guys could start making. So you guys don't have to write the emails, and they're already written for you. So that's all the things I look for: the gravity, the affiliate page, and the affiliate support. If they don't have that, I suggest not for you guys not to do that. But anyways, after you guys collect your after you guys collect your link, if you see something you guys like to do, just click promote, and then that's how you guys are gonna get your link. Something's gonna pop up, and your link. That's all you guys gotta do. If you have not created an account, or you guys are just in the marketplace, all you gotta put is your email address right here. Well, not your email address, your username, and just generate the generate hop link, and it should be right here, and just copy it. Okay, and that's gonna be your affiliate link, so you guys can start creating. So you guys can start earning commissions. Okay, that's basically it. What you guys have to do with this part. So after you guys create your opt-in page around that product, okay, if it's a health fitness niche, that's what you guys are gonna talk about. It's the health fitness niche. Okay, so the way I suggest you guys do with Clickbank offers is basically doing a series. What I mean by this is that a series will actually help you guys out more, because you guys will actually build a relationship with your email list. So a series could be like, if you're doing the health fitness, you could give them a series about recipes and stuff like that. All these other healthy recipes. Here's one day you guys could do that, to keep on your dieting form and stuff like that. Just keep giving them recipes on what to eat, breakfast, lunch, or dinner, and snacks in between. Or give them a workout routine, stuff like that. Okay, this is what you're gonna do for 5 days. One day you send them the email, 2, and then 3, and then 4, and then 5. Something like that. Even if it has to do with home and garden. If they're trying to build something, give them a list of what to do, or what to have this day, or what to have that day. Just give them something. Give them a series on how you guys will build that relationship, and then you guys can start making money. You guys should start making and earning a lot of money with ClickBanks. Just do that, because that's the best way and effective way to start making money with ClickBank offers. Because you guys can be doing just collect the email thank you page and then offer, and not sending them any emails. Okay, you guys have to send them emails each day. That's why I tell you guys to do the autoresponders, because they will automatically send them for you, and the autoresponder is not expensive. You guys, especially you guys are starting off, you guys can usually even do it for free. But I suggest, if you guys are really getting into affiliate marketing, I suggest to actually put in the work, because you guys need to put in money. If you guys don't have, if you guys cannot make money, I do have a video on how you guys can actually make side hustles. What are the best side hustles for you guys to earn a little bit of extra cash, and you guys could just build that, get that money and put it into your business. Okay, because there's no excuse on what, if you guys really want this, there's no excuse on what you guys can't achieve with the resources you guys have. Okay, so yeah, that's basically it. Remember, guys, just keep on putting in the work, and you guys will actually see earnings and see, you know, a lot of information. And if you guys want to get started with affiliate marketing the right way, I do have a free course for you guys. The link is down below if you guys want to get into it, and I'll show you guys step by step on how you guys do it, and it's free, completely free. I stopped promoting the 3-day challenge, but if you guys want to get into the 3-day challenge, you guys could do that as well. I'll have the link down below. You know, no hard feelings with 3-day challenge. You know, I took it myself, and I still think it's pretty good. You know, but I stopped promoting it. But if you guys want to get into that too, I have the link down below as well. But I do have my free affiliate marketing course if you guys want to get into that. And I go step by step on how you guys could achieve your goals. Yeah, guys, so don't forget, subscribe, hit that like button, and also hit that notification bell so you guys could get started, so you guys could get notified when I be posting on my YouTube channel. And yeah, also follow me on Instagram, IG, TikTok. You know, I'll be doing quick little videos like that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.